Over 50, this is what happens to your body. When you do the farmer's walk, every day, hook. Over 50, think your body is slowing down? Think again. There's a simple exercise, just walking while holding weights, that can transform your strength, posture, and energy in ways you never imagined. By the end of this video, you'll see why farmer's walk is the secret weapon your body has been waiting for. It's not about looking younger, it's about feeling unstoppable, reclaiming your power, and moving through life with confidence. In today's video, we're diving into the farmer's walk, a deceptively simple move that targets almost every muscle in your body. We'll break down what happens when you do it every day after 50, how it changes your body, and why it's one of the most powerful exercises you can do at home or in the gym. Stick around, your posture, strength, and energy levels might just surprise you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a few minutes of daily walking into a full-body transformation. The farmer's walk. What is it? The farmer's walk might look simple, but don't be fooled. It's one of the most effective full-bodies exercises you can do, especially after 50. The concept is easy. Grab a pair of dumbbells, kettlebells, or even heavy household items, and walk with them in your hands. But what seems like a simple walk actually engages almost every major muscle in your body. Your forearms and grip are working hard to hold the weight, your shoulders stabilize and prevent rounding, your core stays tight to maintain balance, your glutes activate with every step, and your legs propel you forward steadily. Think of it as armor for your body, strengthening muscles that you use in real-life activities every day, from carrying groceries to lifting boxes or even climbing stairs. Unlike isolated exercises that only target one area, the farmer's walk trains your body to move as a coordinated, powerful unit, building functional strength that translates directly into everyday life. This exercise also challenges your posture, coordination, and endurance, while improving your confidence and stability. Just a few minutes a day can make you feel stronger, steadier, and more capable in ways you might not expect. Why it matters. After 50, our bodies naturally undergo changes that can affect strength, balance, and overall mobility. Muscle mass begins to decline, a process known as sarcopenia, which can make everyday tasks like lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or carrying laundry feels increasingly difficult. At the same time, bone density decreases, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Even small lapses in balance can lead to falls, which become more dangerous with age. This is where the farmer's walk becomes a game changer. Unlike isolated exercises that only target one muscle at a time, this functional movement engages almost every major muscle group simultaneously: your forearms, shoulders, core, glutes, and legs. By practicing this daily, you are not just building strength. You are training your body to move more efficiently and safely in real life, mimicking natural movements you use every day, like lifting, carrying, or walking with load. It's a strength that translates directly into independence, confidence, and vitality. How to perform. Stand tall, chest lifted, core engaged. Grab weights in each hand with arms fully extended. Walk slowly and deliberately in a straight line. Start with 20 to 30 steps, gradually increasing distance. What it does. Even after the first week, your grip improves. Your shoulders start naturally pulling back, your legs feel steady. Every step you take is building a foundation for strength you can feel, not just see. Comment down, strong grip, if you're ready to try this first step. Week 1 to 2. Awakening your muscles. The first 2 weeks are all about waking up dormant muscles. Your forearms, shoulders, legs, and glutes might feel sore. That's your body saying, "I'm alive, I'm working." Science shows that early activation boosts blood flow, strengthens joints, and wakes up connective tissues. Even at 50+, your body is fully capable of regaining strength. Motivation. Every step is a tiny victory. Imagine lifting grocery bags or carrying a heavy box without feeling exhausted or worried. This early stage is crucial because it sets up a habit of daily discipline, which is even more important than lifting heavy weights. Week 3 to 4. Posture and core transformation. By the 3rd and 4th week, your posture starts to transform. Walking upright with weights forces your spine, shoulders, and core into proper alignment. Your back straightens, chest opens, and breathing becomes deeper and more natural. Science-backed insight. As we age, one of the biggest challenges is maintaining strong bones and a stable balance. Weight-bearing exercises like farmer's walk play a crucial role in addressing both. When you carry weights while walking, your bones experience gentle stress, which signals the body to strengthen and maintain bone density. This process helps reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition that makes bones fragile and more prone to fractures, a major concern for anyone over 50. At the same time, the farmer's walk engages in your stabilizing muscles, the small but vital muscles in your core, hips, and legs that keep you upright and steady. Strengthening these muscles improves your balance, coordination, and posture, making everyday activities like climbing stairs, reaching objects, or walking on uneven surfaces safer and easier. In short, this simple movement is more than strength training. It's a powerful defense system for your body, keeping you strong, steady, and confident every single day. Motivational story. Imagine standing in a crowded supermarket, holding your groceries, and feeling steady, confident, and strong. No more hunching, no more fatigue, just controlled power. Month 2. Plus, full body strength and endurance. After 2 months of consistent farmer's walks, your body undergoes full body transformation. Grip strength. Open jars, carry luggage, and hold heavier objects with ease. Legs and glutes. Walking becomes effortless. Climbing stairs no longer intimidates you. Core and back. Less back pain. Improved balance. Better functional strength. Cardio boost. Walking with weights raises your heart rate, improving endurance and circulation. Motivational angle. Imagine carrying heavy shopping bags across the parking lot without thinking twice. That feeling of effortless strength is exactly what this exercise gives you. Safety tips for people over 50. Even simple exercises can backfire if done incorrectly. Here's how to stay safe. Start with weights you can comfortably hold. Maintain shoulders, chest tall, and core engagement. Walk in a straight line, don't lean forward. Begin with 2 to 3 sets of 20 to 40 steps and increase gradually. Listen to your body. Soreness is okay. Sharp pain is not. Pro tip: small, consistent steps. Done daily beat heavy lifting done sporadically. Your body remembers movement more than weight. Variations to keep it exciting. Once you're comfortable, subtle variations make it more challenging. Timed walks. Walk for 30 to 60 seconds instead of counting steps. Uneven weights. Use different weights in each hand to engage your core. Incline walks. Walk uphill or on a treadmill with a slight incline to strengthen legs and stability. Even small tweaks amplify strength, burn more calories, and keep your joints safe. Real-life impact. Here's where it gets exciting. The farmer's walk doesn't just build muscles, it improves life. Carrying groceries, effortless. Climbing the stairs, easy. Back pain, reduced. Confidence, skyrocketing. Even short daily sessions of 10 to 15 minutes transform your functional strength. That's the real power. Not how heavy you can lift, but how capable you feel in every moment of your life. Mindset/reflection. Here's the truth. The farmer's walk isn't just physical exercise, it's a mental one. Every daily walk with weights teaches discipline, consistency, and resilience. After 50, it's not about competing with others. It's about reclaiming your own strength. Think of every step as a statement. I am not slowing down. I am not giving in. I am strong, capable, and unstoppable. Even small daily victories accumulate into life-changing transformation. And that mindset, the refusal to quit, the commitment to yourself, is just as important as building muscle. Comment down, age is just a number, if you feel this. So, here's the real takeaway. The farmer's walk is not just an exercise, it's a daily ritual that strengthens your body, sharpens your posture, improves balance, and boosts your confidence. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to feel a noticeable difference in how your body moves, how strong you feel, and how capable you are in daily life. Each step you take while holding those weights is a step toward reclaiming your vitality, protecting your joints, and building resilience that lasts a lifetime. If this video inspired you, make sure to hit subscribe, tap the bell, and become part of a community of people over 50 who are proving that age is just a number. Share your journey in the comments, celebrate your small wins, and encourage others to take that first step. Stay strong, stay grounded, and remember, every step you take today brings you closer to your strongest, most confident self.